Again, I would like to greet everybody pleasant morning on behalf of the PDA officers. I would like to extend my thanks to my officers for uh, having this, having cooperated for the success of this affair.
Ace lagi
Not only
break.
for
Tago.
my
Tago si Ace o.
fellow officers, but also for the
Tago si Ace.
teachers of UTLS. And because of this, success that we have, we are assured that the UPLS will have
Kian.
another year to survive. Because we have raised ample amount for our children that they will be all is well for the next year. Kapag lumitan na itong lifeline, pwede yung ato clean and pure hearts. So
Ace o. Yeah, that's Ace. That's Ace. They got him locked. Shoot him. Oh.
And also for the parents, I would like to congratulate the Nadantes family and Wong family for their cooperation, for participating to join in this affair, Valentine's affair. And for the rest of the parents and children or pupils, yung ang APLS ang pasalamat yung tapos sa iyong mga cooperation. Truly, we have celebrated love. Karon nato yung makita nga ang gugma ng paating babaw. The world is quite hateful, pero kita nag-celebrate niya. It shows that love will always prevail over hatred. So thank you very much for attending this program. And